My name is Profil Moharjan. I'm a first year student studying in Softrika College. I'm from batch 30B Computing. I'm representing on behalf of my group, Psychedelic Saints. Our group consists of three members, Darshan Busal, Pratik Dangi, and myself. Our Coventry IDs are 210 332 210 199 and 210 233 respectively. We have made a pharmacy management system using Tikinter GUI. This application can be used by pharmacies for recording data and prices of medicines from different factories as well as pharmacies. We can also update the data that has already been added, and the option of deleting it is also available. We have used database in order to perform this task more effectively. We have also made a login page for ensuring that only authorized people can see the data. The option of registering a new login is also available. Firstly, let me explain the code. At first, we need to import Tkinter, as you can see from Tkinter import asterisk. I have created a window and named it root. Let me just show you. Um, there we go, root. We have set the size of application by using root.geometry and used it according to our preference. So we have used 1280 by 680. Similarly, we have used root.title to name our application as pharmacy management system. Moving on to the designing part, we have made a large frame and named it data frame. As you can yeah, there it is. It's a large frame. As we then created two frames inside the frame and named it data frame left and data frame right. So data frame left, as you can see. We also added pictures in the frames to make it more appealing. In order to import the images, we have to import PIL image TK. Let me just show you again. From PIL import image TK, as you can see. In a pharmacy, the person who runs the shops need to store data and information like name and prices of medicines. So we have created different labels and entries. Let me take you to the entries. Yeah, there it is. In this application, we have made 13 labels and entries. This has all the entries like company or customer name, issue dates, reference number, and many more. All these entries are kept on the left data frame. As you can see, it's on the data frame left. On the right data frame, we have made buttons like add medicine, update, and delete. Let me just show it to you. As you can see, there's a button for there it is. There's a button for adding medicine, delete, showing all the information, and many more. We have also used scroll bars on both vertical and horizontal sides for scrolling through large number of data. As you can see, for the horizontal I have named it sc underscore x, and for the vertical I have written sc underscore y. Moving on to the functions, let me start from the very first one, and there it is. We have defined a function and named it submit. In order to use this, we need to first connect to a database, as we have already made a database here. We first created a database using con equals to sqlite3.connect, then creating a cursor. Then we first created a table, then put it in comment. So we pass it on a comment. Yeah, there it is. After that, we execute it by inserting it into addresses values. Here we are trying to add the information entered by the user into the database. So we type in all the names of the entries. As you can see, We have reference number, company name, medicine name, and all the 13 data that we used. After that, as we need to delete all the information that the user kept after we add the medicine, so we use the name of the entities dot delete. As we need to delete everything, we just simply put it in bracket and start from 0 to end. Uh, Similarly, we have created a function named query. This shows all the records that were registered in the database. At first, we connect to the database and create a cursor and everything. Then we use OID from addresses. Then we need to fetch the data that was stored, so we use c.fetchAll, as you can see. In this way, we have created functions for all the buttons. Similarly, we have created functions for login page as well. As you can see, there's a function for login, register user, login verify, and login success, and many more. Let me just show you by running the code. At first, we have a window which is for login or registrations. If you already have made a login, so you can just log in, or if you're a new user, you can just register. So let me register a name. Let me just put a name. Let's put Andrew. And Kurt. Let me just put a surname, weird surname, Kurt. Then register it. As you can see, it says registration success. So I just press the button OK. Then we go into login. I'm putting the same details, Andrew, and putting the surname as the password. So we just log in. As you can see, it says login success. Just press the OK button, and as you can see, the previous window got destroyed and we are now in the main area. So this is a typical management system which is used by chemists and users in the pharmacy. So let me just put in some details first. So let me just put a random number in reference 345. Then let me put company or customer name as revert, and then let's keep it as a tablet. Let's keep the name as Sisto. Lot number, anything that you want, 678. Let me put the issue date as 2020 and expiry as 2021. Let's keep the dosage as 3. The tablet's price 600. Let me put the breakfast warning as none, and then uses as inhale, and let's put none as side effects. So let me add the medicine. As you can see, the medicine has been added successfully, so I just press OK. So let me show you all the data that has been registered. As you can see, all the data that was registered is right here. So if I have to update any data, I first put in the number. So let me put 6, then press update. As you can see, there's an area for updating everything. So I have nothing to update, so I just press save and press OK. Then if I have to delete the data, then I just simply press delete. As you can see, the data was deleted, and it clearly says data deleted successfully. So this is it. This is our attempt to make a better management system. Thank you.